If you want to make money online, one of the best ways is by turning content into passive income. The problem is making videos usually takes too much time, and most people give up before they ever see results. That's where ShortBeast AI makes it possible. With ShortBeast AI, you can create videos quickly without filming, editing, or even using your voice. This means you can post more often, stay consistent, and grow channels on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. The more content you put out, the higher your chances of building an audience that bring in ad revenue, affiliate commissions, or even sponsorships. You can also repurpose the same videos across multiple platforms, which multiplies your reach without extra work. Over time, those videos keep working for you, bringing in views, growing followers, and generating income long after you created them. That's the power of passive income with video. If you want to start creating videos that can turn into passive income streams, sign up through my link in the description and try ShortBeast AI today.